And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
A lot of rain coming into the area right now on saturated ground in areas that are already seeing flooding from the melting snowpack. And this is coming down at a heavy clip. You see right here in Jasper County, all the way back to southern Newton County. Some pretty heavy rain also coming into Cass County right as we speak, and that yellow and orange color, and this is kind of training, so some pretty good rainfall amounts coming down here. We've already had 1/4 of an inch of rain just in the past about hour and a half at the Kentland Airport, and getting some showers around Lafayette, some rain up here in northern Carroll County, moving over towards Miami and parts of Cass County, and other showers around Vedersburg, and everything is pumping northeastward. And look at all this rain over here in Illinois. A lot of this coming down at a pretty good clip too. And we'll see this all move and train over our area getting into tonight and into early tomorrow morning. And the heaviest rains should actually be early in the morning, and that will occur as the cold front moves southward and the winds converge on that front. They're north and northeast north of the front, and they're south of the front, so a good convergence here. And that's when we'll see actually some thunderstorms here and there embedded in the rain along that front. So a lot of rain to get through, and with the storm still way down, kind of evolving in the southern plains, a long road of precip to get through. So that said, new data, this is Futurecast. Here we are at 11 o'clock again. You see where it's painting the heavier rainfall at 11, and then we get into the night. This is 1:30. Again, a few thunderstorms back here as the front moves southward, and still some rain in the area. But after 2:30, the rain really picks up. This is 4 o'clock in the morning, and these are a few thunderstorms. This is just an absolute downpour of rain like you see in spring or summer right here, and that'll be moving southward. You see that band of some thunder and lightning and just torrential rainfall. It would not take much rain at all to cause creeks and streams to rise even more. And again, they're already high, so if you're going to be out early tomorrow morning, a lot of rain, and be aware of flooding. Flooding creeks, flooding streams, flooding lawns, flooding fields, and any county road that does a slight dip, that could easily be flooded. And if the sun's not up yet and you're driving, you're not going to see that. So just be very careful tomorrow morning. And it may be a situation where that low part in the road is nothing but water, but it's raining so hard you just can't see very well. So take it easy being out and about in the morning. And then again, heavy rain and thunderstorms down here. This is at 6:30. Finally at 7:30, there's your ice line coming into northern Newton, northern Jasper County. By 9, the ice line is west of Rochester to about Chalmers, and then all the way back to north of Pine Village. And the ice line keeps working southeastward. By 11:30, it's Attica to about Battleground up to western Cass County. This is sleet and freezing rain. Here's 12:30. Again, the pink is some sleet, freezing rain. The blue is snow. Here we are at 2. Again, a lot of icing going on. And then we see the transition towards snow. This is 4:30. And finally, by the transition to snow occurring in Lafayette and Flora. It's snowing in Rochester and Rensselaer. And keep in mind, the winds will be strong. So any ice that's accumulated on the trees could break a few limbs. May have a couple isolated power outages. And be aware, this snow will blow and drift about as well. Still some snow around midnight tomorrow night, then it's out of here. 6 to 10 inches of snow. Fowler, Remington, Winnemac, Rensselaer, Wheatfield, Kentland, Goodland areas. 3 to 6 now. Lafayette, West Lafayette, Battleground, Delphi, Logansport, and Attica. 1 to 3 Kokomo, Frankfort, down towards Crawfordsville. And then this band in central Newton, central Jasper may have a couple amounts that even exceed 10 inches. And again, up to 1/4 of an inch of ice in this zone, this darker pink, 1/10 of an inch in the lighter pink, and even a little sleet, and 2 to 3 inches of liquid out of this. All right, 70 forecast. Normal high is 38. We're falling tomorrow, 23 Friday. Bitterly cold Friday morning, wind chills well below 0, and then more rain, a big warm up, lots of river flooding next week before we get more ice and snow by Wednesday.